Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Yaka meter. First, identify the main components of your Yaka meter, including its display, power input, and data output ports. Next, gather the necessary cables, which typically include a standard power cable and a data cable, often USB-C or Ethernet. Finally, choose a suitable location for your meter that offers stable power and easy access to your network or data collection device, ensuring a smooth setup process from the start. Now, let's power up your Yaka meter. Begin by securely connecting the power cable to the meter's designated power input port. Then, plug the other end of the power cable into a standard electrical outlet. Ensure the outlet provides the correct voltage, usually between 100 and 240 volts AC. Once connected, observe the meter's display for initial power-on indicators, such as a flashing light or a brief boot-up sequence, confirming it is receiving power. With power established, it's time to set up the data link. Connect the data cable from the Yaka meter's data output port to your computer or data logger. If using a USB-C connection, ensure the appropriate driver software is installed. For Ethernet connections, plug into a network switch or router and note the assigned IP address. Finally, verify the data connection by checking for a stable link indicator on both the meter and the connected device, ensuring data can flow freely and accurately. Finally, let's configure and test your meter. Access the Yaka meter's configuration interface, typically through a web browser for Ethernet or dedicated software for USB. Set up essential parameters like measurement units, data logging intervals, and network settings. Then, perform a test measurement to confirm accurate data acquisition and transmission. Review the collected data to ensure it aligns with expected values, completing the setup process and preparing your meter for reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.